Hello everybody. In this short video I'm going to show you how to take the sample test for the TOEIC exam that is available in the course International Exams Preparation. The first thing that you have to do is to download the answer sheet. Download it and print it out. This is going to be the same answer sheet you are going to see in the real exam. So I recommend that you download it and write down your answers in the answer sheet. Then go to the home button and you can open a new window, duplicate your window, and download the full sample test. When you're ready to begin, please click on part 1, listening questions 1 to 10. If you are ready, if you want to do it as if you were in the real exam, do not rewind it, do not stop it. Try to do it as if you had only one chance to read and to listen the whole thing. First, read the instructions carefully for the part 1, the directions, and start listening to the part 1 and to the full sample test. So you're going to read along with the recording, and you're going to answer in the answer sheet the answers for the questions 1 through 10. For the second part, you need to download the second audio, that is part 2, and it's going to be from questions 11 to 40, the part 3 for the questions 41 to 70, and the part 4 for the questions 71 to 100. When you're ready to move to the second section, that is the reading part, you can just read the answers or the questions from the booklet, from the full sample test PDF, and then answer the questions in your answer sheet. When you finish, please send me an email or contact me through Skype, and I'm going to give you the answer key for comparing your answers with the real answers, and we're going to see what the score is for you. Thank you very much.